guys think? Huh? Ah, we're in Switzerland. What's das du thinking? Eh?
Wie heißt ich?
Wie heißt es du? Wie heißt es du?
Wie heißt ich?
Wie heißt ich du?
That's pretty much it.
They're speechless. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Supercar Blondie channel. I am Sergi. You might see me from Car Wars. I'm gonna plug it in. Pop, pop, pop. Today we have a super crazy car. Look at this. Oh yeah. This is the future. This is the Mercedes EQS. As you can see right there. Throw in a little bit of a 360 camera movement. This is the electric version of the S-Class. Gotta keep my eye out for these guys. I think they want to be in the video. If you guys come in closer, I can tag you guys in the Instagram and all that, you know? Oh my God. They call me the cow whisperer.
Holy cow.
Anyway, so this is the electric S-Class. And basically, we're gonna take you, okay, oh. You know what, I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little bit intimidated. You know, at any moment, bam, I get hit in the back with a cow. So let's teleport somewhere a bit more peaceful. Ready? All right, running over to the car. Look at the door handles, they pop out. Now, if I stand here, that is amazing. Now, when you walk inside, right, how do you close the door? You press the brake pedal. There you go. Right, so this, interestingly enough, is for your windshield wiper. So you just pour some water into there. I kind of missed. But there you go. Because the hood doesn't open, the only thing that you need to worry about is your windshield wiper. Next observation is that this car is super round. Now, that's not done by mistake. There's all kinds of science behind this. This is the most aerodynamic production car in the world. This car, being electric, has a range of 780 kilometers. Having less friction on the road means that you can travel further distances on the same battery. On the rims, you'll see that you have these, this little kind of unique kind of rim inside the rim. That is also for the sake of aerodynamics. It just prevents the wind from getting inside the wheel, causing more friction. There's two separate models. There's the 450 and the 580. This one is the four-wheel drive, more powerful version at about 515 horsepower. Over here you have these super like squiggly kind of taillights. Goes all the way across the back. Right below it, there it is. Just press that little button like that. The boot comes open, and I have to say that this is a lot of space for a sedan, a lot of space. And I'll give you guys a real example. Hopefully you never see this in real life. You add a couple of pillows and you can probably camp around here, to be honest. You know, there's a lot of space. Pretty good, right? This is where you charge the car. Obviously, I have to show you that. It comes with little light bulbs as well on the side so you see what you're charging. Right, this is the front. Obviously, you have this black panel unit. This is actually an optional extra. My favorite part of the front is the fact that the headlight actually goes all the way across the front. Looks super futuristic and super modern. Well, you also have, you can see digital light. So this actually projects different little symbols, warning symbols, onto the road to give you a little bit of a warning, a little bit of a projected experience. I think that's actually super cool. Let's go inside. So the first thing you'll see is this huge hyperscreen, right? This goes from side to side. It's actually 3 different monitors. This is the largest panel in the car industry. It's 1.4 meters from here all the way to there. And on each side you have these little fans, which when you touch them, they're super soft but super sturdy. The start stop is over here and everything comes to life, right? So this is the hyperscreen. What's super cool is that the passenger can actually control just about anything except for the actual like drive modes. They can adjust the radio or even the navigation, right? When they're trying to help you out, they can adjust the route so you no longer have to worry about that. In the middle, you have this super elegant kind of wooden panel. You push that And you have wireless charging, where to put your keys, some cup holders. You have even more space in between here. That's where we keep the gum. Get a gun! Over here, you have the vehicle button. If I press it, you can press comfort doors. And now what you have is the ability to open every single door in the car. Back there. That is an unnecessarily strong flex. That's sick. So all the doors are open, right? I mean, that's cool, but can you close them? Of course, look at this. All right, take a look at the steering wheel. So super nice steering wheel, right? You have a ton of different touch control features, volume right there. And you can adjust the dash right there. You just go to home and you can swap into different kinds of looks, whatever you like the most. This is all ambient lighting, which I'll show you guys in a second as well. And you can just swipe like this and that happens. You can just swipe it back. You're actually going to be able to adjust this as well with motion gestures. Just this model does not have that. Now, speaking of sensors, this car actually has 350 sensors. In this door, you have a ton of different sensors. So when you do open the door automatically, and make sure that there's nothing in the way so that you don't bang your head or bang someone else's head accidentally when opening the door. Now, speaking of all kinds of sensors and technology, if I press this button right here, I just click that, you get an invisible force field. That's actually your air quality. It's a force field against bacteria outside. This actually has a HEPA filter, which filters 99% of bacteria in the air, a little bit more than 99% actually. And what you end up getting is super high quality air. Let's go to the final part of the car, which is the back. Because this is an S-Class, a lot of people will spend most of their time back here, right? I get the feeling that it's slightly smaller than the S-Class. I may or may not be wrong though. You have heated and cooled seats, but check out like the stitching, how cool it is. You also get the super comfy little pillows, surround sound, little speakers in the back. You can adjust your lighting. You get different lights everywhere. See, that comes to life like that. I think that's super cool. When you close the door, you can adjust your seats going forward. You can adjust your headrest like that. The seat in the middle also comes down. Just pull that like this. And normally you get a little monitor in here that clicks out and you can control the rest of your monitors as well. Right over here, you press this, a little bit more space. Maybe put a phone in there. And that's the back. Let's take it for a spin.
Sergi!
Hey, look at this! Welcome to my VIP cabin. What is that?
Look at this!
I mean, hey, I wasn't expecting this at all, but
Look at this!
look at these little microscopic potato chips.
How cute is that?
That's amazing.
So what's going on now?
Yeah, right. So this is like,
This
you know,
is the after. When
this
you
is the
buy
after party.
EQS?
Yeah, you know, when you hang out with oh my god, that's really high up. If this thing falls, this is our final meal, right? But you know, you go out in style, because we're getting pretty high up, and I didn't know we were getting ourselves into this, to be honest. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is non-alcoholic, by the way.
Yeah.
Did you see that guy's horn?
Yeah, that's an
What
Alphorn.
is he? What is that?
That's
Look
an
at the size
Alphorn.
of that thing. It's like 10 feet long.
That's an Alphorn.
A what?
Alphorn.
An Alphorn? I'm speechless. But hey, look, overall amazing experience. and we're rounding it up with some dudes playing a very long trumpet. Right, so we're in Germany right now. We just drove here, and we're gonna be testing out the sensors, radars, and safety features of basically collision prevention. Right? You know, we have a dummy car over there. We have a guy on a bicycle. We're gonna go around this little track and see just how well these sensors work. I have no idea what to expect, but yeah, it's all about not crashing, hopefully.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's
So
start.
let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. What's happening?
There's this little
What's
bicycle.
going on? Do you think we will hit it?
There's a bicyclist.
Oh,
Oh my
oh,
god!
oh.
Oh my god! He made it! What the hell?
Will he make
Oh
it?
my god, man! He needs to stop. Oh
Okay.
my lord!
So,
That was a close call.
so what I'm telling you, watch behind us. There's a guy behind us.
Yeah.
And now it was not necessary to brake because there was no collision happening.
Yes.
If the car would have braked, the guy behind us would have stuck into our trunk,
Okay.
and therefore the vehicle detects, okay, there is no collision appearing, then I don't have to brake.
So it calculated that he would make it.
Yes.
What if the kid would have hit the brakes?
Yes, we will detect it and then brake also.
Oh my lord! Wow, that's like faster than a human brain.
We have green light, so it's my right to drive on. And now you saw he hit the brakes,
Yeah.
therefore no collision.
So the
and
car recognized that he was braking.
Yes. And
Wow.
therefore not necessary to brake. The last situations were very good, I
Yeah.
think.
There he is.
So maybe this time.
Oh
it
my
looks
god!
like-
No!
Okay,
Wow! How fast are we going?
50.
Wow! 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 I mean, that was close. Oh my god!
He's just casually keeps going.
He has no idea the danger he's in. He's just strolling along like.
Now, does this guy have any idea what's going on with this kid?
In this situation, it would have crashed if the car would not have braked.
Yeah, I mean it was pretty last second too. I mean,
Nice animals,
yeah.
deer,
Oh,
and
here
so
we
on.
go.
And here, oh,
Here we go.
there is something. Okay. So what you have seen, although we were in a turn or in a curve, and we detected, okay, there is something on our lane, and we
Yes.
also had no possibility to go around it because there was something oncoming traffic,
Yeah.
and therefore the vehicle said, okay, better brake than crash.
But without that car, it would have swerved to the left.
No, it's not possible currently because we are not allowed to leave our lane.
Okay.
And due to the fact that we have a marked lane here, we are not allowed.
Okay.
But we have also this function, for example, if we can stay in our lane, and also we have a driver initiation that he wants to turn around, we support him to turn around the target.
Okay. I see.
We have a good car here, which has
Okay.
some power, so we can accelerate to.
Oh boy.
So now we're driving 90 roundabout. I remember that he stopped before, so hopefully he will stop now.
Oh, he's not.
or
Oh my
not.
god, we're going fast.
Oh my god. Okay. He not start,
Wow.
but our car is pretty good.
It's so
and can
last
handle
minute.
it.
It's hard to believe that it's actually gonna break in time.
I have a warning here, but also the ambient light gets
Yes.
a warning and makes a red blinking.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
that if I cannot hear anything and not see anything in front, so I can see also here, because when I look on the map or something like that, then it's
Oh my
more
God.
optical here. It's better.
All right, so we have a massive wall coming up. So we're entering level 3 of autonomous driving, where you rely less on the driver and more on the vehicle. So if something goes wrong on level 3, it's the vehicle's fault, not the driver.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna see what that even means.
Did you see was
Yeah.
was a yellow light,
Yeah.
so a white light. That means I could activate. Now it's blue. It means we are now level 3.
We're now entering. We're now
No,
level 3.
level 3. Yeah. We could do now browsing. We could play some games or whatever we like.
Okay, so you have you have Tetris.
We have Tetris.
Yeah.
We have also this. We can also play Tetris. I don't know. So you can
okay,
do now
yeah, let's do it.
a lot of different stuff. What you
So
like.
it's legal to be able
Yeah,
to
it's
play
legal.
this game.
It's completely legal.
So we can just. Oh, I don't even know how I'm playing.
So now it's my turn.
Yeah. Ah, I see. And we're in no danger at all right now.
Yeah. So we're in a traffic jam. So the car knows what cars are around us.
But does it
Decide-
read your eyes? Like for you, do you have
Exactly.
to touch the steering wheel every now and then?
No, I don't need to touch the steering wheel since we are in the level 3 now. This is indicated here. It's mentioned here. That means now I don't need to touch the steering wheel
For how long? Forever.
forever. Until the car asks me to take over again. Do you have to sit in the driver's seat? You are, for example, you're also not allowed to sleep. So here's a camera monitoring your eyes.
Yes.
So if you are, I don't know, start to sleep, the car will mention, please don't sleep. You need to drive. You need to be able to take over the driving task if I ask you to do so.
Alright. That's it. What do you guys think of the new EQS? If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to Supercar Blondie, and you might as well subscribe to Car Wars, just saying. See you guys next time.